Hey guys, there are two ways to add single vertex in Blender. The first way, press Shift A, choose a mesh, no matter pick whatever you want, or you can find add mesh on the top. Then go to edit mode. We can see there are some vertices in here. To make a single vert, press M, meaning merge. Add, choose add center. Here we go, a single vert. Now you can change the vertex and extrude it or even add some faces. The second way is to go on the Edit tab, Preferences, find Add-on, type in the search box Extra Object, click to turn it on, and don't forget to click here to save preferences, then exit. Again, press Shift A. Now there are some new stuff. Choose single vert. This is the easiest way than the first one I told you. Also, you can add it to quick favorite by clicking right mouse and activate it by pressing Q on the keyboard. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. There'll be a lot of stuff in the future.